Hi, my name is Blue. This is my friend Red. Say hi, Red. Hi. What do you want to do today, Red? I don't know. Oh, look, it's Yellow. He's a baby. I'm a baby. Feed me. Oh, look, it's Green. He's mentally disabled. I really like kitchen counters. Oh, look, it's Orange. He's sad about life. Oh, look, it's Purple. He's a builder. I'm making a hairbrush. We are friends. Yay! Sigh! I'm so lonely. I've never felt a feeling like this before. Sure, I have friends like Red and Green and Purple and Orange, kind of. But it doesn't feel like enough. I want something more. But let's face it, that dream will never come true. What's all this ruckus about? Oh, nothing, Orange. I just feel so alone. Well, that's not good. Why all of a sudden? I don't know. Hey, Blue. Hey, shut up. Red, can you get that? I'm too busy wallowing in my sorrow. Are you serious? Okay, fine. Oh, a package! Yeah! Why don't you try one of those online dating sites? Online dating? Yeah! I guess I could give it a try. This site seems pretty promising. Yes, I'm not a violent criminal. Yes, I'm sure. Yes, I'm really sure. Okay! My profile's been made. Now I just have to wait for a match. Yay! I got matched! Gee, she wants to meet up at my place. I better go get ready.
Alright, here we are. The Dud House. The weapon should have been delivered right here.
Not according to my tablet. It says it was delivered at that house, 5532 Pinland Drive.
What do you mean it wasn't delivered? Oh, it's not there. Okay. 5532 Pinland Drive. That means it was delivered right over, there, that's the one. The resident already picked it up. Well, you know what to do. Go in there and retrieve it.
What? Me?
Yes, you go over there and retrieve it before it's too late.
Okay, fine, I'll do it.
I'm gonna wait here and not go to sleep. That's not what I'll be doing.
Which one do I use to wash my body? Do I use shampoo or body wash? Oh well, I'll just use both.
Hello, sir. I'm here for...
Oh good, it's you!
What are you doing? Well, I appreciate the dinner, but...
What's your favorite movie?
Gosh, probably...
That's good. What's your favorite color?
Blue?
Ha, that's what I thought. So what's your name?
Here it is. So you really intercepted the delivery destination of the weapon? That's right, and the FBI thinks it's all a mistake. Looks like the resident already picked it up, so I'm gonna go in there, get the package, and get out. Soon enough, we'll have the weapon all to ourselves. Alright, I'm going in. Stay here.
So then I said, what good is a cheese grater if it doesn't have Bluetooth?
Yeah.
I mean, really though, what else is it good for? Actually grating cheese? I'm on cloud 9. Nothing can ruin this date.
Wait a minute. Steven?
Oh, it's you.
Wait a minute, who's that?
Steven was my boyfriend in college.
Oh, well, why did you guys break up?
Oh, it was nothing. We just both went different ways, wanted different things. I was pursuing governmental careers at the time, and he was studying to be a terrorist. But it's okay. I'm sure he turned a new leaf. Isn't that right, Steven?
No, I actually came here for the weapon.
Wait, what?
A weapon? Is that what that thing is?
How do you know about the weapon?
How do you know about the weapon?
I know about a lot of things.
Didn't seem like you knew about my birthday at the Christmas party.
Oh, come on, that was so long ago. What kind of idiot has a birthday at Christmas?
Hello. Nice to meet you. I'm the idiot.
Well, I'm glad you come to terms with it.
You know that's not what I meant.
If you're really gonna hold that much of a grudge, then why don't you just shoot me in the face?
I'll be taking this, thank you.
No, wait for me. Come back.
Oh, there you are, Blue! How did the date go? It was the best date of my life! That's great, Blue! I can't wait to hear all about... Wait 1 second.
Hi, are you Blue? I was supposed to meet here for a date, but I got caught in traffic.
Yup, that's me!